they're usually fine. Like, hold on. Oh, you dropped your little guy, hey? You're dropping him.
Go get that chip. Here comes the other one.
Here.
Make it smaller.
Don't have
So
any
they have to
peanuts.
laugh.
So put your hand out like this, so like
Yeah,
high.
I am. Like I'm short, hey? Well, give me some.
Yeah.
Okay, you have some, I have some.
Now you
How's
just
that?
hold your hand in the air and they'll fly to you. Watch.
My arm gets sore.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some waterfalls in the back country of Alberta. Some hour and a half or so on a rough road away from Rocky Mountain House or Nordegg, whichever you want to pick. And yeah, I'm actually going to go down there. Want to see? It's pretty steep. I'm not sure if the camera does this justice, but this is the kind of trail, well, you won't wipe out and then you'll be found 6 months later. And way down there is where the waterfall is. See that? It's beautiful. And in front of us is a big old mountain. And a tree. While I'm making my way down this treacherous trail, you might as well enjoy some aerial views. This is the Ram River and it's located in the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It's quite amazing. What pristine nature. You can reach that area via secondary highways either from Nordegg or from Rocky Mountain House. It's quite a ride though. The river is being fed by melting glaciers in the Rocky Mountains. The water is so pristine because it's been filtered through layers and layers of rock, which also makes it extremely mineral rich. In my opinion, this river is a natural wonder, second to none, but compared to the more famous rivers in the national parks like Jasper and Banff, it is hardly known. is a hiking trail leading to the top of these falls. Well, let's check it out. Is there any more like this, maybe further downstream? Well, let's take flight and find out. Welcome to Ram Falls Provincial Park.
It's a very steep incline getting down there, though. Okay. Yeah. So like you'll pull up on like a dirt road, and then you'll look to your left, and it's just like a steep incline down this dirt road.
So this, what I'm showing you today, that's called Ram Falls. It's a provincial park. It is far off the beaten track because we had to drive. I didn't drive. Barbara's son John drove us here. It was about, well, I want to say an hour and a half from Rocky Mountain House. Most of it on gravel road. But I have to say it was worth coming out here because it's beautiful country, and the waterfall is quite spectacular as well. And as you may have noticed, there are far fewer people than there are in Banff National Park or Jasper National Park. We visited a waterfall that is called Athabasca Falls, and it was quite spectacular, but there's like 500 people at any time that you try to go there. So here it's a little different. It's quieter and it's not quite as big, but it is equally beautiful for sure. Just heading back on the trail, catching up with John and Barbara again. And I like to take the little trail rather than the big one. So yeah, and I don't have my special sound on today, so I might have to voice over this. camera. Woo. Woo.
My guy, you got probably just a whole boatload of recordings, okay? And he's like,
Definitely boatload. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and then if you haven't subscribed yet, well, now is the time. Doom! Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.